I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about these end tables slash nightstands. Absolutely love these. We have these in our living room, or our basement rather. That's kind of like a living room. This one usually goes on that side, but I kind of wanted to pull it out for you so I could show you everything about these. Really cool part about these is they do have outlets on top. I'll give you a closer look here. So you have the two outlets right over here. We have a USB and a USB-C. The plug is right over here, and you'll see right over here, they have a nice little hole back there for you to put it into. So this is kind of what it looks like up front, right over there. They do come in different colors, different finishes, different tops. These are really easy to put together. These are 15 by 17 by 24. They can hold up to 133 pounds. So super durable if you want to put stuff on top of this, or if you wanted to put stuff on the bottom. This also has a draw. Let me pull this up for you. You'll see here as I pull this up, you can kind of see the cord still has more to go. So if you have a more of a longer way to go, no problem. So this is what the draw looks like right over here. Good amount of space in here, nothing too crazy, but I would say like kind of a standard nightstand. If you need to take this out for whatever reason, you could do that as well. It's not that hard. This was not hard to put together at all. This is actually, we had a couple different nightstands as well. These were the most easy to put together. It does come with this screwdriver right over here. It is reversed as well. You only really need this side right over here, but it comes with all the tools you need to assemble. Probably took me about 20 minutes maybe. It wasn't bad at all. The trickiest part might have been putting the draw in, but if you follow the instructions, it's pretty easy. And that's kind of what it looks like if you're kind of using it, I feel like, as a nightstand over here. So you'll see over here, we got a phone over here, we got an iPad, we got a phone, and we have an alarm clock, or this could be a whole mixture of things. I love the fact that we do have the two outlets back here. So this alarm clock does have a plug. I just took it out for the video. That usually just plugs right up here, which is great. And then for tablet, iPhone, you can literally just plug it right in here. Works with all different phones because you have your USB, which some phones have, and it also has the USB-C. So you could do either or, you could do tablets, and there's all sorts of adapters and stuff like that. But it is really nice that you could get, let's just call it, if you have this plugged into the wall, you could put two plugs into here, and you have two options to charge something. So basically plugging one thing in gets you basically 4 different things you could charge or plug in as well. Really, really nice. Again, it is super solid. These were easy to put together. The directions were really nice. And then of course, totally forgot, we got the bottom right over here. So a good bit of storage here. We have some books over here. I don't have all of them in here, but we kind of have some books. You also have the option to kind of put them in just like that. So you have a lot of different display options here, a good bit of space. Like the fact that you could go either way with these books. Even this one is like a lot taller right over here. So you could get them going straight, standing straight up, or however you want to do it. So if you're looking for a great set of end tables or nightstands that have electric, have built-in charging ports, have a draw that's really nice, definitely get a lot of good stuff in there. I like the fact that this is kind of like has this as well, because you could kind of throw like some remote controls in there, maybe some stuff that you don't normally want out on kind of like your middle table or your coffee table. So I kind of like that. Or if you have you're using this upstairs, you could just put a bunch of stuff in there, flashlights or whatever you want. And we got the space down here. They are 15 by 17 by 24. You got the 2 cables, easy to put together. I hope you found this video review helpful. Give a thumbs up if you did. And these do come in different colors as well. Super easy to move around and just really, really nice. I really like these, and they fit nicely pretty much with any decor. And like I said, they come in different colors. I hope you found that helpful and you get the right end tables slash night tables for you.